Mm. Pinapuksa na guys. Last game, finally, Diyos ko, matatapos na rin to lahat. Go na. For the first ban, sino kaya ang pipiliin nila? Sige nga, let's see. Let the light in. Sinong ibaban mo, te? Pakita mo na yan. Sino ba yan? Malaki ba yan? Ooh! The first ban goes to the blue team, and the first ban will be Vi. Vi is actually one of Trox's heroes, diba? So this will be interesting. Tinanggalan agad nila ng jungle. Oh, that's a good strategy, guys. I'm up for y'all. 8. Go. So the second ban will be red team banning. Magbaban ba hindi? O hindi na ban. Walang binan ng red team, wala ligwak, they're confident daw, mananalo daw sila dito, di ba? Ganun ka confident ang team. Team number 1, grabe may Trox yan eh. Sige, go! Laban nyo! Ganyan para ang gusto niya. Oo. Sige, hindi ulit yan magbaban na. Charot. Anyways, charot lang pala, nag-ban na ulit. And the ban will be Swain from the other match. Nanood talaga sila no? Grabe. So they saw kung anong potential ni Swain. So the blue team has banned who is this again? Sino ka ba ulit? Jack. Ayun, Jack. I forgot the name since I don't choose the hero. Ayun. Jack and being banned. Here, okay. That's an interesting band. Oh, pinili na naman ng red team ang Nautilus. Oh. And Camille will go to the blue team. Oh my God. Grabe. Sea sword. Charot. Go, madam. Puksain mo sila. Hiwain mo. Go. So, ito na nga. The player 2 of the red team is selecting. So, ano kayang pipiliin nila? So, pili. Hindi pumili. Ano to? Ano nang gagawin? Diba hindi nga pumili? Galio. Go. Sige. Galio, I think Galio will go to mid lane. Mother mo, ikaw. What's your thought?
Yeah. I think Galio will be in the mid lane for the red team. Kasi we saw kanina yung first match. Trox team 4 versus team 1. Nautilus is being picked by Trox team then, and it went to support. So, more or less, Nautilus support and mid lane Galio.
So, ito na nga, the second hero for the blue team will be Wukong. Oh. Go mga te, ikutan nyo, go. Oh, the third hero will be Saya, nakuha na nga. And Yumi, Lulu, sino pa ba? Nami, ang daming support na open. Naririnig nyo ako, guys. Ang daming support na open, oh. Grabe, oh. May iba ba niyan na support, oh. Pag hindi to nagba ng support, wag na lang. Go. Pero again, naban ulit nila yung Puppy for the red team. Wow, that's a good ulit. That's a good ban for you guys. Since medyo OP nga si Puppy. And pag nakuha yun ng kalaban, ako iyak na lang. Oh, Ornn! So they're really targeting ano ba to?
Yung team competition na while ago.
Yes. Kaya nga, they're really targeting it. Kasi kanina yung pinili nila is Wayne for the mid lane. And then, support Ornn. Wow. Tinanggal din nila yung support. They call this again. Nakalimutan ko talaga yung mga hero na to. Grabe kasi yung mga pang-stragot kasi. Go! But I forgot the name. Pero grabe, napaka-annoying din yun sa bot lane.
Si Pyke.
Yun, Pyke. Sorry guys. Medyo forgetful tayo sa street ng mga stragot na heroes.
Hello, Kaden. Yes! Meron pa tayong mga next event. Madami pang event tong Swarm, guys.
Madami pang event, guys.
So, we will try to give you a weekly event.
Yes.
And, yeah.
We'll see how it goes.
Like what we always say dito sa server, everything that we do here is for the community. It's for you guys. It's not for us. It is for everyone.
A community made by the community.
Yes, a community made by the community. So, we have full democracy dito. And we want to hear your voice. We have the what do you call this one? Suggestion hive. So you can send yung mga feedbacks nyo, yung mga comments nyo. You can send any doon sa suggestion hive channel sa server. And we'll try to, accommodate all of your concerns. And do not worry, all of your information will be kept privately. No one will know kahit ano yung ilagay nyo doon na private information nyo. Don't worry, guys.
Diba? Buti pa dito sa Swarm, may democracy, maayos ang mga tao, diba? Hindi mga korap, Pilipinas, galaw-galaw, chares. Pero yun, everyone. So, malaki farm. Ayaw nyo ba? Dito. Pero yun, again, the Swarm Guild is open ulit, guys, ha? So, if you all want to join, the guild is open. You just need to join the server too, of course. Pero ito na nga ang puksaan. The full team of Blue Team will consist of Lucian, Wukong, Gragas, and Saya and Camille. And the Red Team will have Nautilus, Galio, Rumble, Amumu, and Azrael. And again, the Red Team is focusing on the tanky heroes na naman. This is quite interesting.
And most of their champions for the Red Team are AOE damage champions. You know?
Ito na naman sila sa AOE.
Yes. And as we know, Amumu is being picked dito.
Yes.
With the patch of endurance, Amumu is a very strong champion in the jungle. Ang lakas, ang bilis ng clear. Ang bilis ng clear ni Amumu, considering pa yung mga damage niya, the AOE damage with yung passive niya na 80. We will see. Together with Galio's ult,
Diba? And Nautilus too, actually.
Hindi makakawala.
Once na ultihan ni Amumu, and then ulti rin ni Nautilus to the farthest enemy para matamaan din yung mga nasarapan. Grabe, tatlong stuns? Grabe yun.
Yes.
Ultimate.
Together with the AOE damage of Rumble's ult dito, it would be hard for the blue team to engage. Pero as you can see naman, even though na yung red team, we have engaged champions, engaged yung setup nila, blue team opt for a disengage. We have their Wukong, we have their the support.
I think it will be support
Gragas. So, mga unconventional to mga to eh. Like if I told you a while ago, Gragas is unconventional support champ. Pero usually napipick ang Gragas sa international scene. Kasi ang laki ng bigay na disengage ni Gragas. At the same time, disengage and engage siya.
Grabe, puksaan agad sa taas. Oh my God. Rumble will be going down ba? Hindi. Grabe, sinunog niya naman si Caesar girl. So, tingnan nga natin kung mapapatay ba si Rumble. Oh no. The Rumble got level 2 na. So, I think, we'll see kung sino nga bang mapupuksa dito. Sumusubok yung Camille, pero hindi niya natamaan. Again, medyo
experience dito, Camille.
Yes, especially sa range ng as we can see naman, nasusunog na siya, and I think the first blood will go to the red team with the Rumble na sunog si Camille. Yes. Diba? Grabe, te.
Especially kasi, even though na merong passive si Camille dito, knowing Rumble na meron siyang shield, ang sakit ng AP damage niya.
Yun nga rin. If hindi magpo-focus dito si Camille sa sa AP, tank items, medyo malulugi siya.
Yes.
Especially knowing yung ultimate niya ni Rumble, nakakabuiset. Tumapak ka lang ng saglit, paglabas mo kalahati na buhay mo. Anong petsa na?
So we can see yung mga jungle ng both teams are already on the opposite side.
Yes.
Amumu is on the top side. Wukong is on
the bottom side.
On the bot side. So, makikita natin there would be engaged for both jungles. And we can see na engaged from blue team. Wukong nag-ult na, but, Azrael and Nautilus naka-disengage silang.
Oh, ayun na nga, Amumu na puksaan na sa taas. And I think they will get Camille again. Oh my God, nalulugi na si Scizor, girl. Wawa ka naman, ate. Pero go again. Medyo lugi nga talaga siya doon sa Rumble. Yes, and that's a big thing sa early. Grabe.
And this is still an early game. And as you know, blue team is getting 3 plates sa top lane. A big gold lead for Rumble doon. A big win for the rest team.
Ito na nga bang sinasabi ko eh. Sabi ko sa inyo, wag na kayo magban ng hero. Ban nyo na mismo si Trox, Wala na, puksa kayo today. Pero go guys, laban. As I always say, hindi pa ako.
We're still on the early game.
So we don't know kung sino pa nga bang manalo.
And, Wukong, nagkaroon siya ng buff last patch. So,
we'll see kung assertive ba ang buff na yun sa team composition na ito. Ito na nga, oh my God, ito na. Binaba na ni Amumu. Ultimate coming from Galio, pero walang tinamaan. Ito na mukhang mapupuksa today ang, oh my God, Gragas out.
Grabe yung engage doon ng red team. Napitas sila agad.
Oh my God, tinatako na is ult from Amumu.
And healing ng red team doon sa team fight. Makakapitas ang saya. Hindi na tinuloy ng saya.
Wala, hindi na tinuloy.
Because that's 4v1. Hirap pa rin sugal. Even though, no health yung apat, walang malakas na marami.
Tama. Especially, hello, alam mo yan, mother mo. Walang malakas na marami. Alam mo yan. Pala guys, if hindi nyo alam, Amumu main yan si Mother Moy. Kaya alam niya ang things about Amumu. Kaya ayan, di ba? Grabe, ang daming chimika bells kanina kay Amumu. Dito mama, nakita ko yun, Madam Troxa. Pero go, mukhang mananalo naman kayo Grabe, early 0-4 agad yung red team. Ay, 0-5, I mean. Pero wow, that's a big lead coming from the red team talaga. Let's see nga kung makakabawi pa tong blue team. But I'm really rooting for the blue team. Talunin nyo na sila, Trox. Tama na to, madam. Show them what you can do. So ito na nga, mukhang Infernal Dragon ang kalaban natin. Trox will be going to the Infernal Dragon to take it. So let's see kung mag-aano pa ba. Wala laban pa ba ang blue?
Ngayon ko lang napansin. Wala palang AP ang blue team. They opt for double ADC.
No, actually, wala silang enchanter like mage and all. Pero they have what do you call this again? They have Gragas actually.
Yeah, Gragas. But Gragas is a support building
yes. Pero we know naman. Pero kung kung mag-i-EP nga yan, we all know Gragas has explosive damage when it comes to AP build.
Pero nagkaroon na ng exchange ng objective dito. Dragon goes to red team and Herald goes to the blue team.
Ayun na nga. As we can see nga, nakapuksa na nga ang Gragas. Nagsisimula na siya,
Yes.
Ito yung nakaka-urat Diyos ko dahil. Pag magsimulang pumati ang Gragas.
The score is 1-6 and the first turn goes to the red team. But still, yung gold lead is not that big. It's just 2.2k. It's still manageable. Kayang-kaya pa rin mabawi.
Kaya yan, guys. Kaya yan.
And as you can see naman, double ADCs. Diba? We have a tank there na si Gragas. Pwedeng tumangke. We have Wukong pumasok sa backlane together with Camille na ikulong kung sino man yung pwedeng ikulong sa kanila.
And
Lalo
then
yung
the
Adrian.
backline damage coming from Saya.
And the damage, yung damage lang nila ng red team is coming from Ezreal. Diba? And for Rumble.
Yes. Oh my God, naagaw pa nga yung
So, another engage for the red team dito.
Oh, natamaan si Sabi, ang dami nangyayari. Oh my God, puksaan na, go! Puksain nyo lahat. Go.
Pero as we can hindi nakatakas yung Saya doon even doon na nag-ult siya.
Diba? Grabe.
Ang ganda ng team composition ng red team when it comes to team fight. Ang bilis ng respo at the same time, andun yung tankiness. The damage is being compensated nung mga AOE damage nila at the same time pati yung mga stuns.
Grabe, ang red
Mufasa, lipat ka na Mufasa. Saan ka ba?
Lipat ka na Mufasa. Gusto mo bang matuwa sa Swarm? Pumasok ka na.
Welcome sa Swarm Live.
Welcome sa Swarm Live, guys. Sana mag-join na kayo sa Discord. Ayaw nyo? Hindi down.
Currently, we're having a mini event lang. Hindi siya sa mga main event ng Swarm.
Yes, antayin nyo po
event for the community.
Next month.
Yes. So, I hope next event you can join, guys. And tomorrow, yung isang main event ng Swarm, which is...
Ano yun?
Tomorrow ba? Yun.
I'm not sure. Pero wag muna natin i-reveal since we still don't know the details. Pero yun, guys, there's a
Rickmaster! Hello, good evening. Hi, Mash. Rickmaster, this is Team 4 versus Team 1 versus Team 3 doon sa Swarm server.
The final.
Thank you for the gift.
Thank you so much. Anong gift yun?
Yeah, ice cream.
Oh, thank you so much for the ice cream. Charot, bawal. We don't slurp here, guys. Punta kayo sa live ko later. Charot.
Pero still, let's go back doon sa laban. So, even though, makikita pa rin natin yung scores. It's 2-7. Still, okay pa. 2-7. Gold lead. Wow, from 2.2, yung gold lead is, it's just less than 2K. Little by little nakakabawi.
Yes. So, ayun na, mukhang hindi nako-contest ang blue team. Dahil medyo lugi na sila when it comes to the team fight. Kasi nga, ang grabe, ang kunat lang ang titigas pa. Ang kunat lang ang tigas pa. Team lang naman yun, pero nako, grabe, mahuli lang talaga sila nung Amumu. Wala na, Tegebel sa lahat, mga gay. Diba?
Yes. Especially pag hindi, kapag nakaresponde agad yung
bulaga daw, sabi ni Amumu. Hindi natamaan. Nice ultimate coming from Nautilus, pero napatalsik siya.
Nag-ult na, 2 champions from the red team. Ult from Nautilus and ult from Rumble. Nasayang na. Hindi naman siya nasayang.
At the same time naman, yes, ayun, nice ult coming from Amumu and ultimate coming from Galio. Nice one. Natamaan si Gragas. Pero I think matetegebles ba? Nautilus stacking the damage. Ang daming nangyayari.
Makikita mo talaga kung gaano ka-comfortable yung red team to tower tayo. Andun lang sila sa under the tower taking the damage. Pero
alam mo yun, nagsasalit-salitan sila eh.
Yes, hindi sila umaalis doon. Nakakapitas pa rin sila.
And if low HP na yung isa naman, di ba? Anong problema doon? Wala magbaklaan tayo dito, go, pukstaan agad, di ba?
Hayop ka, nobody. Kumain na daw ba tayo?
Hindi pa, pakainin niyo ako, go. Sige.
Yeah.
Pero ito na nga, 4 seconds for the Baron. Malapit na.
Kumakain ako ng siomay, Madam Rakemaster.
Sana all kumakain na. Ako hindi pa eh. Typical Stella, right?
Typical Stella.
Ano yun? I think they're gonna gank the monkey here. And nice. Grabe talaga, ang galing mag-aim ni bro.
Ano diba?
Mga
ult talaga. Ang ult from Rumble. Once na pumasok yung isa, expect na yung mga ult is.
Nice ult from Amumu. Oh my God. And ultimate. Oh, dalawa yung napatalon niya. Grabe ang red team. Ito na nga. Oh, dalawa na agad yung natanggal. Grabe. So, I think they're going for Baron na. Pero mukhang mapipitas.
More or less, it would be a Baron.
No. It's a prank? Yes, it's a prank daw. Mukhang hindi nga tatanggal dito ang Galio. Sayang. Kung nandun yung Galio kanina, nako. Mukhang ano na talaga. Ito na yun eh. Pag nakakakuha na ng Baron yung red team, dito na nagsisimula ang kalbaryo ng blue team.
Yes.
Diyos ko guys, ilaban ni God.
Pero buhay pa ang mga inner outer turrets nila ha.
Yes.
It would be, hindi ito yung finishing push for the red team. But
yes, pero still. Ang laking advantage naman for them.
Yeah, that's a big advantage. Baron is a big advantage. From less than 2k advantage kanina ng red team, it grew up to almost 3k, you know.
Diba? Buti nga wala ng T-Hex. Diyos ko Lord. Kasi kung nasa Hex tech pa rin tayo, nako kanina pa to tapos. Awa na lang talaga for the blue team.
And as you can see,
push for the Ice Drake.
Yes, Ice Drake would be the last Drake for this match.
Ay, ang ganda ng soul nila. Oh my God, napupuksaan na sa baba.
Hayaan kaya ng blue team dito na makuha ng red team yung soul. Kasi the soul would be a red soul.
A big advantage talaga. Ang sakit nun.
And makikita natin yung damage ng isang Ezreal to Awuko. Ang sakit. It's just a few skill shot and attack damage. Sakit.
Wala na. Diba? Oh, grabe talaga yung Gragas. Yes. Natutuwa ako sa Gragas. Grabe.
I really like that
niya
range ng isang Gragas.
Diba? Grabe, tinatapon niya lang talaga. Na nga, sinusolo na nga ni i-Trox yung dragon and ayan na ang dragon soul. So I think they're gonna engage here. Since medyo angat-angat na nga rin sila. I think kung lalaban yung blue team, this will be the last team fight. Pero kung hindi naman, kaya pa nila yan too.
Yes.
Ayun,
so yun na, napitas yung Camille sa top lane. Knowing na wala
na natin.
Yeah. Kitang-kita na sa mapa na wala na yung red team sa mid lane. Hindi pa nag-back ang
alam na ata
unfortunately. Wala tayong magagawa po.
Fortunately,
little by little, umaangat ang lead ng red team. So, kanina, from less than 2k to 3k, now the gold lead is more than 5k gold lead. So, makikita natin talaga even though nakulang ng damage ang red team, bawing-bawi nila to. Ginagapang talaga nila.
Grabe.
Bawing-bawi.
Right. Diyos ko.
Ay, no. Ang tinipis daw ng mga shoutcaster.
I thank you po. Sorry. Going back to the game. Ito na nga mukhang magpupuksaan na talaga sila sa mid-lane. Mag-engage pa sila. Tignan natin.
Second Baron is now live, no?
Yes.
So, we will see. More or less, magkakaroon dito ng Baron fight. And if ever na makuha to ng red team, it will be the final push. And
wala na ganun. Out na agad, no chance. Wala na. Tagabas na lahat, puksaan, go.
Yes. Lalo, Red Team already have the Dragon Soul. The Infernal Soul.
Okay. Infernal Soul pala.
Balak i-contest ng Blue Team ang Baron.
Actually, they're planning to, but I don't think that they can. And ito na nasimulan na po saan ito na. Nice ultimate from Galio pero walang tinamaan. Zero. Nice ultimate coming from the Amumu. And ito na nga, the first team to get the kill is from the blue team. With the... Who was that? My God, grabe pala ba yung blue team, ha? Puksaan talaga sila kung puksaan. Puro mukhang matatalo ang blue team dito. Grabe, naubos.
Oh my God.
Ay,
the ult from Ezreal. Grabe yung
Grabe.
Yung blind ult na yun, ha?
This is it, guys. Puksaan na talaga sila,
di ba? Final push. And hindi na nila kukunin dito yung
yes, Baron. Because, do they even need to? Wala na.
I believe no. The death timer for the blue team is, 10 seconds. Kayang-kaya.
Yes. Oh my God.
Congratulations, Team 1. Team Trox.
Just as I expected, Trox won again, guys.
Nag-target ban kasi yung team nila, Trox.
Tama ka na.